Hi there, darling. Do you need a cuddle? Well, or maybe you just want a cuddle. Either way is just fine by me, princess. We've finished our work for the day. The rain is pattering against the window, and it's the perfect moment to relax, breathe out, and snuggle up together. Come on, sweetness. Here we go. Just clamber into Mummy's lap, and I'll slip my arms around you, and oh, there we go. Such an affectionate girl. And then just sink back into the cushions, slowly relaxing, holding you safe and close. So lovely. Yes, sweetheart, you can hug me back. In fact, I invite it. My little girl's hugs are one of the most precious commodities in the entire world, and I always consider myself very lucky to receive them. There we go, nice and warm, safe with Mummy, my fingers gently stroking little patterns on the nape of your neck as you squeeze on tight and listen to the soft, relaxing sound of the rain. You're so warm, sweetheart. My little bundle of happy feelings. I love holding you in my arms, nice and close like this, sharing your happiness and sweetness, letting you know that you are loved. There, let Mummy rub your back, up and down, sweetheart, and then soft little circles. I want you to feel totally relaxed. Yes, it's all part of my nefarious plan to turn you into a sleepy baby who'll be easy to tuck into bed later. You want to lie side by side? Yes, that sounds just wonderful, baby girl. Then you can't hide that radiant smile from Mummy, right? Oh, you weren't hiding it. Maybe you just didn't realize that I love seeing you happy so much. That's why I tease you sometimes, sweetheart, because I know it makes you laugh, and then you burst out in pretty smiles. Come on, sweetheart. Settle down beside Mummy. There we go. You can tangle up your little legs with mine and rest your head on my chest, nice and soft and warm. And there you can feel the rise of my breath in and out. I'll wrap my arms around your little waist and make sure you feel utterly secure. There we go, princess. All comfy and cozy. My goodness. It sounds wet out there. Doesn't it just make the snuggly warmth and closeness feel even better? I know it does for me, Angel. We can stay here for as long as you like. And if you want to get up and be an active little girl again, just let Mummy know. And I'll give you a kiss on your little head and wriggle out of this absolutely perfect cuddle. Until that happens, though, I'm going to cherish every moment. I'm so glad to have this time with you, darling. You are a gift, and I'm so grateful for you. There, I know. The rain's calming, isn't it? It's okay, baby. You can relax. There we go, sweetheart. I'm just going to rub your back and then move along to the outer curve of your hip and then back up to your waist. Let all the tension just sink out of you with Mummy's touch. Let me touch your face, Angel. Oh, so soft. I'm just going to gently stroke your cheek with my thumb and brush a lock of hair away from your temple and just take a good look at how precious you are. Did you know that you're adorable? Like really, just utterly adorable? I hope you did. I'm absolutely amazed by my princess's cuteness every single day. My cherubic little darling, cuddling with her mummy, safe from all the scary things in the world. If you need to, darling, it's okay to feel small when you're here with me, or whenever you want, for that matter. If you want to hide your face against mummy or suck your thumb, that's perfectly okay. Even if you need to have a little cry, I'll be here to comfort you. And if you don't need to do any of those things, if you just need your mummy's love, that is okay too. That's right, Angel. Mummy is always going to be here for you. I've got you, Princess. You're my precious little girl, and I'm going to cuddle you until you're ready to go off on another big adventure. My brave girl, you try so hard, Princess, I know. I'm so proud of you for getting through every single day, and so happy to see the wonderful things you're capable of. You can fly so high, Angel, and still need to touch down somewhere safe, snuggle up, and take a rest sometimes. And Mummy's cuddles are perfect for resting in, darling. Here with me, with the soft sound of the rain's drizzle outside, is a safe place to snuggle up before your next marvellous flight. There we go, Angel. I feel so comfy. I don't want to move from this spot. Your body fits into the negative space of my body so perfectly, and I can feel your breath lifting and descending, and see your little eyes fluttering as you consider if it might not be time for a tiny little nap. I know. Oh, you can't conceal the telltale flutters of relaxation, sweetheart. Not from Mummy. Well, if that's what you want, darling, just let Mummy know, and I'll put you to bed, tuck you in, and even read you a bedtime story if you like. And if not, we can just cuddle, nice and cozy and snug, for as long as you want to. And then you can wriggle up all free and carry on with your busy day, whatever my little girl wants. That's right. Always whatever my little girl wants. I'm utterly helpless in the face of your innumerable charms. There we go. Nice and safe, here with me, exactly where you ought to be. I love you, darling, and I just want to cuddle with you until the knowledge that you deserve lots and lots of nurturing love soaks into you, and you feel it radiating through every part of your body. I'm getting all gushy. Let's just relax for a while, If I fall asleep and you need absolutely anything at all, you can just wake Mummy up and she'll take care of everything, okay? There, baby, there we go. Just cuddle into me and we can keep each other company. Nice and comfy? Good. I love you, Princess. Hmm. 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 Hmm.